Welcome to my work experience at the Complutense University of Madrid. Working at the UCM as a laboratory technician allowed me to improve and develop many important techniques. Familiarizing myself working with Arabidopsis thaliana taught me molecular and cytological techniques, such as plant genomic DNA extraction, genotyping by PCR, fluorescence microscopy, and cytological techniques. As laboratory activities and tasks, 2 days of PCR, 3 days of preparation of Arabidopsis thaliana species, 1 day of API staining, 5 days of tracing Arabidopsis preparations, and 1 day of working online from the residence. Daily, I had my coffee lunch break at the rest area. Lunch break as a tradition at the UCM is a very important moment to socialize, expand and improve my professional relationship with my team. During my work experience, I work with Arabidopsis plant species. I have prepared a sample of the primers, of each pair of the primers. A sensoquest or thermocycle used for a cyclic temperature change of the polymerase change reaction. Each sample in their quartz cover slips. After including the samples in the gel, I got my PCR, which is the first line. And lastly, during the tracing in the last image, the Arabidopsis thaliana aim was to identify the stage of meiosis. In this image, what I observe is a chromatin that, looking through the microscope magnifying glass, is informally described as a thread, forming around the cells, which, depending on the phases, is closer to be formed and is eliminated at the same time that the phase is more advanced. Using the graduate capital model, there are 5 capitals. The human capital, developing graduate level knowledge and professional skills to be able to access to the job market. Example, all the techniques, plant genomic DNA extraction, genotyping by PCR, agarose gel electrophoresis, chromosome spreads from flower buds, fluorescence microscopy, and cytological analysis. The social capital, developing social professional relationships and networks and acquire the target employment. Example, my worker team was Monica, Nadia, Bianca, and Alba. Cultural capital, appreciating the sectors and organizations' culture. Example, my workplace was located in the Faculty of Cytogenetics A laboratory in the Complutense University of Madrid. A tradition of the UCM is the daily coffee lunch break. Psychological capital, having the capacity to adapt into my mind to a flawed job market. Target employment to fight and withstand possible not only challenges but also pressures. Example, creating an incredible atmosphere between the relationship with each other, either in the lab and the rest area for lunch break. My attitude and personality helped me to make the work easy and efficient for all, even if I had to learn at the same time that it was explained to me the work that must be done during the day. And lastly, identity capital, understanding and realizing experiences to carry on with a professional and strategy profile to achieve career aims. Example, PCR, preparations of Arabidopsis, API staining, tracing Arabidopsis preparations, and working online from the residence. And lastly, this experience at the UCM will help me to work in future laboratories relating to my professional career as a biologist and genetist. Firstly, it has helped me to have had a job interview as a laboratory technician to my profession as a laboratory technician in forest biology to my professional career at the Department of Biology at Oxford University. Lastly, I have currently obtained a place on the professional masters in clinical genetics personalized medicine, and laboratory biosecurity at Euroinnova International Online Education, with 6 months of work experience in companies.